rooted in our Franciscan tradition and guided by our mission here at the Franciscan School of Theology. We're building for the future, growing our reach, and renewing hearts and minds. Franciscans like building projects. Francis heard the voice of Jesus speak out to him from the crucifix, saying, "Come, rebuild my house." And Francis, responding with all earnestness, without a pause, began physically rebuilding the church structure at the little chapel of San Damiano. Well, of course, there's much more to rebuilding my house that God intended in that voice, and Francis himself went on to become an agent of growth and renewal in the church. But Franciscans like building projects. Now, at present, FST has a very nice facility here at the University of San Diego. The university provides us our own classroom, a break room, a modest library, plus access to the university's libraries and all manner of resources. So here in this video, by build, I mean building a community of students, partners, and benefactors to support long-term impact. Please let me explain. With the University of San Diego, we built our online Masters in Franciscan Theology, starting a few years ago. This is a 100% online program, and you can access it from anywhere in the world. We continue to see strong growth in enrolling in our online Masters in Franciscan Theology program. I taught moral theology in it last year, and I had a really wonderful experience. I had students from Singapore and California and Alberta, Canada, and from Texas and Colorado and the East Coast and Geneva, Switzerland. And I was just struck by what a remarkable sense of Franciscan community we were able to build as a result of journeying together online. The way in which the university's pedagogy works is it really does a great job of forming Franciscan community, helping us to form community among ourselves as faculty and students together in an online context. It's not the same as being on campus, but it's also really good. Students take all of their classes together as one cohort, moving through online discussion posts, office hours, assignments, working with instructors. It is all online, but it's got just the same Franciscan spirit as our on-campus program to it. We're also building partnerships, and we're pleased to partner with the Diocese of San Diego in the academic formation of the seminarians of this diocese. I'm also really excited about our next partnership program, which we're launching right now in partnership with the University of San Diego, specifically the School of Leadership and Educational Sciences. We're launching a new doctorate. This doctorate in Catholic social thought in practice is for rising professionals, people working in Catholic ministries of all kinds, to help them to develop executive-level leadership skills for their service to the Church and the world. This is a 3-year doctoral program designed for practitioners. It's built in collaboration with the Department of Leadership Studies, and it blends together applied theology, practical leadership skills, combined with a capstone research project that will help an organization be more faithful to its mission. It's also a full cohort model. There's no electives, but it's almost all online, but there are these residencies, and you'll never guess where these residencies are. They're at Mission San Luis Rey, where FST was based before we came here onto the University of San Diego campus. Another expression of build is to build a sustainable business model. My predecessor, Father Garrett Galvin, spoke about three key criteria: meaningful, manageable, and sustainable. A business model is a plan for how to run an organization so that it can deliver meaningful programs in a way that's manageable, meaning you can keep doing them, and that it's sustainable through time, not requiring enormous self-sacrifice to be able to continue. So I'm committed here as the incoming president at FST to building up FST, bringing more students, bringing more friends, reaching out to more partners locally and globally, and engaging our benefactors and all of our friends around the world so that our school and its extended community can grow and renew. And for more on growth and renewal, see the next videos. We come build up God's kingdom with us, build, grow, renew together as brothers and sisters. May the Lord give you peace.